AI knowledge is really important if you want to understand the world around us. My name is Paul Mochkovitch. I'm leading pedagogical content development at Wagon, and I'm here to speak about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a hammer. So it's not my word, it's a word from Luc Julia, the creator of Siri. Basically, the main idea is a set of tools to just reproduce a human decision, human behavior. The main one is accessibility. Just because we have very different languages and now it's not really complicated to translate, you can add subtitles, you can really bring all the people together, and that's really exciting. The other one, really important as well for me, it's you have a lot of information, written information on the internet, and you can just now easily ask questions on this text. So basically you have some reports with a lot of pages, really difficult to read, and you can just ingest all this data in an algorithm and interact with this algorithm, which creates a lot of accessibility and lower all boundaries. When you have a breakthrough technology like this one, and in this story it was exactly the same, generally it creates more jobs than it just make disappear. And I think it will be exactly the same for artificial intelligence. It's going to be a lot of new jobs on the market. The World Economic Forum says that it will be more than 97 million new jobs created. And there will be a lot of jobs who will be transformed by generative AI and AI in general. I think it's a great thing just because you can focus on what really matters and you can really automate everything with AI. You can find a lot of biases inside artificial intelligence, and it's really important to know how to detect them and to be sure that you are not taking a wrong decision because of them. It's really important to understand that there are tools and there are no conscience, they are not humans. It's based on data. So if you take any data of our society with a lot of biases, for sure your algorithm will have the same biases. So it's really important to focus on which data you are using and not really on judging or saying that artificial intelligence is the main issue. It's a really benefit from our society. It's just really important to take consideration that it should be a little bit controlled and should be really understood by all the population. What I'm using a lot is OpenAI API, so there is no interface, it's directly with programmatic languages, but it offers me the possibility to create scripts. And scripts, including artificial intelligence, makes new power to the team. So what we do generally is to analyze all the feedbacks we have from the training. So all students and teachers give their feedbacks, and it takes a lot of time to do it and to see what was the main issue, what was the most appreciated part, and it was a really manual task. Now we can use AI to just pre-process all the feedbacks and get a list of actions, list of things that we need to review and we need to rework on. And it saves us so much time that it's a really incredible application.